In a significant step toward upgrading its military vehicle fleet, Denmark's Ministry of Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organization, FMI, has entered into a dual framework agreement with Ejner Hessel A.S., the official Danish distributor for Mercedes-Benz. The deal encompasses the supply and long-term support of up to 1,000 Mercedes-Benz G-Class all-terrain vehicles, tailored to military specifications based on the 464 series platform. This dual contract structure includes one agreement for vehicle acquisition, alongside logistics kits, training packages, special tools, and spare parts, and another that ensures maintenance and servicing for the vehicle's projected lifespan of nearly 3 decades. The move is a cornerstone of Denmark's broader defense modernization strategy, funded through the Accelerations and the GAFF initiative launched in 2023. From the 1,000 units, an initial order of 400 vehicles has been firmly placed. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in late 2025, starting with the Property and Terrain Command. Prior to full-scale rollout, 2 prototype configurations will be finalized, a standard variant for the Army and a Home Guard version equipped with a weapon mount. These will undergo field evaluations before subsequent variants for the military police, Air Force, and other branches are developed. Mass production is expected to ramp up in 2026, with a target of 200 to 300 units delivered annually through 2029. This initiative marks the phasing out of the long-standing GD vehicles, which have formed the backbone of Danish military mobility since the 1980s. The new fleet will not only replace aging units but also expand operational capabilities, including motorized patrols and rapid support across all service branches. The acquisition covers 5 mission-specific vehicle variants. The Army will receive the largest share, suited for both field and training use. The Home Guard's version features a mounted ring for a light machine gun, optimized for patrol missions. Air Force incident commanders will get a dedicated variant for base-level operations, while the military police's model will mirror the current configuration but with upgraded systems. The Property and Terrain Command's vehicles will support logistical tasks and terrain management. Extensive testing was conducted in summer 2024 with input from the Army Logistics and Signal Regiment and Home Guard volunteers. Evaluations prioritized durability, off-road agility, storage, and operator ergonomics. The chosen 464 series variant is equipped with a 3.0-liter diesel engine generating 180 horsepower and a full-time 4-wheel drive system, ensuring reliability in rugged and varied environments. Though the new G-Class models are modernized, they build on a legacy platform. Initially conceived in the 1970s by Daimler-Benz and Daimler Puch, with early backing from the Shah of Iran, the G-Class has proven itself globally. While it didn't win Germany's military contract in the 1970s, it gained wide traction among NATO allies and UN forces due to its robust construction and all-terrain capabilities. From the original W460 version to today's military-focused W461 and civilian-oriented W463, the G-Class has maintained its reputation for resilience. Over the years, upgrades have introduced enhanced drivetrains, improved suspension, and refined electronics, while retaining key features such as locking differentials and high ground clearance. The G-Class remains capable of tackling steep slopes, deep water, and harsh terrain, traits that have ensured its longevity in military roles. As of 2025, the G-Class continues to serve in over 40 military organizations. Germany's Bundeswehr refers to it as the 250 GD Wolf, and it has also been adapted by France as the Peugeot P4. Other nations, including Austria, Norway, Switzerland, Indonesia, and South Africa, have deployed various configurations, some armored and compliant with NATO protection standards. Specialized G-Class models are used for battlefield communications, weapons deployment, and reconnaissance, and the vehicle's modular design makes it suitable for future combat and support roles. Denmark's move to adopt the new G-Class variant reflects a strategic blend of modernization, mission flexibility, and continuity. By investing in a proven platform tailored to the evolving demands of defense operations, the country aims to ensure mobility and readiness well into the mid-21st century.